Hey guys, it's videotechdude, and today we are reviewing the Mazda Cx-5 2020 Touring all-wheel drive edition. It has that metallic silver finish on it. It's called the Sonic Silver Metallic Finish, and then we got the black interior in there as well. Let's jump in there and check it out. Welcome inside the Mazda Cx-5. Here we have these black leather seats. They're pretty nice with some soft parts on them, like on the back and on the bottom. We got the steering wheel here. It's pretty nice. It's a nice size. It's a steering wheel. And then we got media controls on here to skip songs, increase the volume, decrease the volume. Then we also got the cruise control options on here as well. We got nice vents here that can shift side to side, and you can increase the airflow on the little knobs here. Right here is your main navigation knob. It goes side to side here and up and down, and you can press it in to select whatever you're trying to go to. We got the sport mode switch. This makes the engine stay at a higher RPM to make it so that when you slow down, you can speed it back up at an increased rate. The cup holders on the bottom here I actually really like because they don't have the rubber guards on the sides like a lot of cup holders do. Instead, they use kind of a switch mechanism that springs out. And so when you put your cup in there, I feel it's more secure than other options. Right here, we got our mini glove box armrest, and it pulls up like so. It has a little removable tray in here, which I'm pretty sure you are supposed to put your phone in here, but it does not fit mine. It might fit a smaller iPhone, but then you can plug in your phone here. There's a dedicated phone port, and that can make it so if you're using an Android phone, it pops up the Android interface on the screen. But if you're using an iPhone, it pops up CarPlay up here, which is super cool. I love it. I'm actually getting that feature on my car, which is the CX-3, and I'm excited for that. This does not have the normal parking lever right here. Instead, it has a parking switch. You can push it down to deactivate it and up to activate the parking brake, which is super cool. And you can kind of hear the mechanical sound putting on the brakes. Right here we have the volume button. You push it in to mute or unmute, and then you turn it to raise the volume up or the other way to lower it down. We got the button for less airflow and more intensity of air. And then we also got a power switch for all the air conditioning. These seats are also heated as well, the passenger and driver's seat right here. And then the airflow can be switched between in-car only or vent and all that stuff. You can also make it vent through the windshield and the back windshield as well. There's also under here, there's a hidden kinda slot, so you can put another USB charger in there if you want, but you would have to get that adapter. There's also a nice little cubby down here too that you can also put your phone as well if you don't want to put your phone in here. This also has some nice ridges on it too, so you can make the wire come out without smashing it or maybe damaging the wire. I feel like that's a pretty nice feature that they give you that flexibility. We got the sun blockers up here with vanity mirrors and a light, pretty nice. And then they also come off right here as well, swing around, and then have a little insert that comes out. Maybe some would say it outserts. Anyways, and then it just flips up and we're all good. Up above we also got a sunglass holder. It's relatively small, but I don't really need it anyways, so it's all good. We got your average mirror adjustments right here. I like the Mazda mirror adjustments. They make sense of how they lay it out. I like it. And then we got the unlock lock buttons with the window switches right here. They all have the ability to auto roll down or auto roll up, which is super cool. In the Mazda CX-3 that I have, only the front driver's seat does that. So it's a nice feature that all the windows can do that. I'm not going to cover the whole in-depth of the system up here, but if you want me to cover that in the Mazda CX-3, which is the same thing, then let me know in the comments down below. Let's check out the back. Welcome to the back of the Mazda Cx-5. We're here in the back. It's pretty nice. You might be wondering how the legroom is. Let's see. It's pretty nice, not gonna lie. I can put my feet forward pretty far because there is quite some room underneath the seat as well. So that helps out a lot. So your legs aren't up here like this. Also right here, we got that auto window button. So you can either roll it down manually or push it down even further to make it roll down by itself. Back here, we got some storage compartments. I'm pretty sure they're called the Lux inserts. And you can just put whatever you want back there, up to you. Right here, we got the vents in the back. These go either in the middle position or you can face them upwards as well. And you can do side to side. It's pretty nice. And you can also control the airflow on the middle dial. Right here, we got the armrest, which comes down just like so. And you can either rest your arm there if you want. You can put a cup in the cup holder. These don't use nearly as nice of mechanisms as they do in the front, but it does have the rubber tabs, which helps secure your cup. Right here, we got this little insert right here. I'm pretty sure it's so you can put your phone there any way you want, maybe like that. Yep. Right here, you might be thinking, oh, this is just a nice pad leather material right here. False. Well, it is, but you pull it up like so with a little switch and boom, you got a secret compartment. It's not much of a secret. You can put your phone in there if you want and it's all safe. Or you can also charge your phone or any device that is USB powered, because there's two USB ports here that is powered with 2.1 amps of power. This middle part will also come down by itself as well. If you need to put some kind of long object in here, it can do that. Welcome to the back of the Mazda Cx-5. We got quite some space in here. Like that's probably a good 4.5 feet, I'm guessing. And then over here, yeah, that's probably a good 5 feet. Maybe 5 feet and 3/4 about, I don't know. It's just a rough estimate. Back here, we got a spare tire. Can't get tired of that. We also got a outlet back here as well, so you can plug in more USB or maybe some power tools if you're into that kind of thing. We also got a little part where you can latch on some nets maybe or something like that. We also got some little secret compartments on each side with some pull tabs. You can put something in there, I don't know. And like I said earlier, you can have even more space by folding the seats down. These headrests have to be down all the way in order to get these to go down. And you can see it almost lays flat, but not quite. So keep that in mind if you need something to lay completely flat. But it's not that much of a bridge, and this is pretty much as far as it goes down right here. This is one of the latches you could maybe attach a carabiner to or some kind of nylon webbing. Hey, I hope you liked the video of the Mazda Cx-5 right here. I know we didn't cover like the engine or some of the media controls, but if you want to see the media controls, I can show you those on the Mazda Cx-3. So let me know in the comments below. With that being said, if you like the video, you can like it. If you're interested in technology and those kind of reviews, then you can subscribe below to be informed of my most recent videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.